y'all, Stacy here. I'm in Vegas. I'm gonna try some Buffalo Ultimate Stampede. It's a high limit version. This is in the Aria Old High Limit. All right, so I have 1,100 bucks in here. Let's hit a few for 50. See if we can get that bonus to pop up there. Ah. Come on. Oh, man. Morning mimosa. That's on my good luck drink, right? All right, we need some more of those green. There we go. Oh man, that would have been a $100 mini. There we go. Free spins. Sweet. All right, now let's trigger it in the free spins. Be really fun. 8 free games. Here we go. There we go, re-trigger. Nice. Oh, man. That would have been nice if I had to trigger with that minor out there. There we go, nice. 300 right there. All right, now let's open this up. Drop some words in there for me. Here we go. We get 2 coins. We get to reset to 6. Here we go. Coin. There we go. Reset to 6. Do that over and over, right? Come on, one more, unlock that next level. Nice. Now we need 3. Come on, coins. Save it. All right, we're still in free spins though. Four free spins left. We do it again. There we go. All right, 2 spins left. Can we do it? Re-trigger. right, $1,600, $44.50. This is on Buffalo Ultimate Stampede. Get this paid out and be back. All right, guys, I have 478 bucks left in here, so let's see if we can get it again. It's pretty quiet when there's no line wins. All right, guys, that's all she wrote. $1,100 in for $1,600, so I'm gonna walk away up $500 on this Buffalo Ultimate Stampede. Thanks for watching, guys. If you haven't hit that subscribe button yet, please hit it for me now and have a good one. All right, guys, we are playing 60 bucks a spin on Mummy. Triggered all 3 bonuses. Let's see if we can get that full screen. Here we go. All right, we're starting with 3. Here we go. We want a full screen. Lots of mummies. One more. There we go. Now we can hear it going. Yeah. That's going to drown out the music. Come on, shinies. There we go. That was nice. 600 bucks on that one. Three extra spins. All right. 2 more right here. There we go. Nice. We may fill up 2 screens at a time and extra spins. Nice. Here we go, and going to the next level. Shiny. Nice. Come on, shinies.
How about some words?
Yeah, how about a major? Shinies. I just want a big full screen. Come on, Mummy. 2 more right here. There we go. We'll take one at a time. Come on, extra spins. Oh, come on, no wasted spins. Come on, one right here, do it.
Multiples and the free spins, extra spins.
There we go. All right, at least we're going one more bit. One bigger. Come on, Mummy. 3 more right here. Come on, let this be our dream Mummy win. Land that grand. One more. There we go, minor. 1,500 right there.
Come on, shiny.
All right, we need a shiny right here.
Extra spins. Oh, yeah.
All right, we're at 5,000.
on.
All right, save it right here. One more shiny.
Some extra spins.
Nice. Okay.
Come on,
Got
shiny.
extra spins. Come on now. Oh!
About the
There we go.
seven.
Nice jackpot though. $7,260. Nice. Good job, Greg. All right. Thanks for watching, guys. Hey guys, Stacy here. I'm going to try some Huff and Puff High Rise at the Aria. See the progressives up there and those guys hanging out on that beam. That's one of the bonuses that can come down. So that's what we can do. We're looking for that green helmet. That's the big one. Two rows. Go again. Dang it. Would have had it. One more row blown up. All right, come on now. There we go. We got it. Free spins. And it's going to stay open to that one. So we want to just come out and we can blow up 2 more rows up there. Here we go. There we go. Need some gold houses. Obviously. Keep re-triggering, baby. Will those guys come down during a... Oh, come on now. 2 free games. Let's get some... We need a mansion or 2. All right, $450. Greg's gonna put in a lucky $1 voucher for me.
Yeah, you need those construction guys to come down and spin a green hard.
Yeah, see, these guys will drop down up there kind of like a luck has arrived. That's what I want to see. back to 30. Maybe it likes that bet better. All right, we need to get one more bonus here to get our money back, right? All right, guys, that was pretty brutal. This is Huff and Puff High Rise, and I'm gonna walk away a big loser. So hopefully the next one will be better. Thanks for watching. All right, guys, got games on Huff and Puff High Rise. We got the full screen, so let's get a bunch of mansions.
Get a bunch of the big pigs across.
Come on, re-trigger. Didn't get very many, but maybe he can get some of our money back. That looked like my bonus on the other side, Greg. $400, $900. There we go, almost 1,000. All right. Hey guys, I'm here at R. I'm going to try some Ultimate Firelink Ultra Bank. I don't think I've ever seen them mega quite that huge here. Not going to hold my breath, but let's give it a shot. Man, when you get 2 in that first one, it gives you a little hope, right? Let's try a different denomination. What do you think? Go 50 cents. I guess we know why that mega's so big, because getting the games must be impossible. All right, guys, that's all she wrote for me on Ultimate Firelink. Ultimate Firelink has not been my friend lately. So, going to find a lucky machine. Thanks for watching.